Hi everybody, Sean, KVS Travel, and Amanda. We're at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Punta Cana. Today we're showing you the signature presidential one-bedroom suite. Building 4, 357. Victor's in there, check it out. Beautiful room. Come on in. And door code. Come on in, you got a nice little table here for your keys and whatever. A half bath right off of the door, which is nice. You can wash up without dirtying up the room if you have to. This is just a coat closet, nothing, I'm just going to show it to you, but nothing special there. And you come in, you got a nice dining room, which is really nice. And when you are in the signature presidential room, you get to order anything off of any restaurant's menu to have delivered by room service to your room. It's one of the benefits. It's an enhanced room service type system they have, which is really nice. So you can order anything from any restaurant, have it in your own suite without the crowds waiting, whatever else. Wet bar over here for hosting and making drinks. You got a personal assistant, your butler, get you ice or whatever you need. Beautiful living room. It's a sunken living room, like travertine type tile. It's really nice, really clean. This room is for 2. If you're planning on bringing your kids, right here we can connect them to an Islander junior suite. And what's in there? Two beds. 2 beds are in there, so that will sleep up to 4 then?
Correct.
The room would sleep 4, so if you have 2 kids, what if they have 3 kids?
They have 3 kids. They can stay on the.
They can make it work.
They can make it work right
So
here.
5, this is good for 5, family 5. There's a lot of families of 5, so we can make that work, okay? All right, the master bedroom in here. Large king bed. Look at the couch, it's really nice. Suitcase rack, nice end tables, coloring's nice. I like the lights, the wings coming off of the bed. Head, what do you call that?
Headboard.
And this one here is, I'll be dreaming my dreams with you, and there's no other place that I'd lay down my face, the cranberries. Whoa, it's deep. Double sink, beautiful walk-in closet. I don't know why I love them, but I love a walk-in closet. I just love to get my stuff away and out of the space. Not that this room isn't large already, but nobody wants to see your suitcases sitting around. Double-headed shower with a bench and the water closet.
The bench is nice.
And I'm noticing very clean grout. I'm not noticing many maintenance issues. Not many of it. I'm not noticing any. So very nice. And this bedroom does close off for privacy or privacy if you come from England. But I can't book you if you live in England. Only if you live in the States. In the bedroom, you got the mini bar. Hard Rock serves Pepsi products, Presidente, 7-Up, orange drink, water. Also has a nice little liquor dispensing unit. And that's really nice. Got a jacuzzi in this bedroom. Every room at the Hard Rock has a jacuzzi in the room, standard. This one here is beautiful. It's down in the sunken living room. Got a jacuzzi. Here's a little table. Your wife can call back home, check on the kids. Whatever calls to the United States and Canada are included. No extra charge. That's nice because sometimes you just don't want to pay for your cell phone calls or download those wireless phone call apps and stuff. They don't connect right half the time, it seems like. But you get that bag too, as a in this room.
The beach bag with the flip-flops.
Yeah, that's included as a gift. We'll go out and see this large patio, veranda, balcony. Very large, very spacious, very nice, very clean, maintained well. View of pools. There's pools everywhere. This is a decorative pool, but there's, 13 pools on the property.
Right.
8 restaurants. And remember, you can order from any of those restaurants to eat in your room. You know, but if you want to get dressed up and go out to eat, do it. No rules. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you booked with somebody else and you can't get your questions answered, then you need to cancel with that person if they can't answer them, and then call me and book with us. But if you've already booked with somebody and you're gonna stay with them and can't get answers and you're gonna call me, I won't be able to do that. So please be considerate, understand that we only get paid when you book. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Call me at 610-334-1917. If you subscribe to my YouTube, you'll get something off your vacation package. If you're coming with a group or doing a wedding, we'll make sure you get the best of everything. We'll do a little extra for you there as well. Depends on what room category and how many nights you stay. I'll make sure you get taken care of. And we know management, so we'll put requests in for you. Don't book on my booking engine. I disabled it. Everything is booked personally by me and my wife, so we know you're getting what you want and all your needs are met. And there's no reason not to use us. No fees. Caribbean, Hawaii, river cruises, ocean cruises, Disney World, and Universal are our specialties. But Punta Cana, all-inclusives, is probably that, and Jamaica all-inclusive. Those are our main. We know it all there. I mean, very few things we don't know about both those islands. All right, thank you. Look forward to hearing from you.